Hi everyone, it's Lana here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. If you want to see how I got my hair to look like this, from this, then keep on watching. I am so excited for today's video because this is something I have never shown you on my channel before, and honestly it's because I've never even tried this before. This is a first for me and I can't believe it's taken me so long, but I'm going to be showing you some curly hair extensions. Who's excited? Are you excited? Because I'm excited. These hair extensions are from Curlsqueen. They are kindly sponsoring this video and I am so thankful for that because honestly these extensions are a dream. So let me just show you what I got. This is how it first arrived. This is my box with my extensions in it. All of the packaging is so pretty. It's kind of this like dappled pink color, gold writing. It says Curlsqueen right there. And then we have this satin brown ribbon with this gold typing, which says to be fresh, gifted, female and black. So we take off the ribbon. Let me show you what's inside. Ooh la la. So this is the first thing you'll see, and this is a little pouch with all of your accessories inside. So this pink mesh pouch I can already tell is going to come in really handy, even just to store this stuff. Any other accessories that I like to use with these extensions are definitely going to get thrown in here. So let's just open that up. So it's this copper colored rose gold paddle brush for detangling. It also comes with a satin bonnet as well, so that's really nice. It has a little drawstring to make sure it doesn't fall off. I think it's reversible as well, so you can wear both sides, both colors. And there's a little box with a few extra clips as well. They also package it with this little thank you card, which is another really sweet little touch from them. Ooh la la. So I've definitely been watching too many clips from French Love Island and they say ooh la la all the time, so now if I say ooh la la la, that's why. This is a little satin bag. It has their logo Curlsqueen on it, and inside we have their hair. So she's currently in a net. Let me just take this out. Let's free her. According to this little leaflet that comes in the box, this is the 26-inch hair. It's naturally curly. The color is balayage. It starts naturally black at the root, goes into honey brown, and it has honey blonde highlights going through it. It looks gorgeous. So I'm really excited because where it's balayage, hoping the roots are really just going to blend in with my hair and I don't have to color my hair because I have the highlights. And look at it, doesn't it look stunning? And it feels so soft. Even the ends look the same as my ends, to be fair. I was about to say they don't look great, but let's be honest, they look the same as mine do right now. So I believe that these are in the 3A to 3B curl pattern as well, which is most similar to mine. So they give you a selection of clip-ins. So I have the one here that has 5 clips, this one. I also have 2 that have 4 clips. Then I have 4 that have 2 clips. Then I have 2 that have 3 clips. So my hair is pretty long already, but hopefully we will be able to make it just a little bit longer with the extension. My main goal is just to play around with color and add a bit more volume as well, so I'm really excited to do that. So before we get started with any styling, I'm actually going to wash the hair extensions with shampoo and conditioner. So I'm using the Shea Moisture Curl and Hibiscus range. I figured I would just treat them exactly the same way that I treat my own hair, so I'm also going to rinse all of that out and use a curl cream as well. This is their premium Brazilian virgin hair and they say that it could last up to a year if you treat it right, so I'm going to treat it just the same way that I treat my hair. So it's time to style. So I am of course sectioning my hair. I'm taking one of these extensions that has 3 clips and I'm going to attach that close to the nape of my neck. You can see from that one that the extensions are actually longer than my hair, so if that causes any issues in the final result, then I will actually be able to trim the hair. If you are worried about that, then just know that Curlsqueen does do very long curly extensions. Another one is really blending in so well already. So the next section is going to be a pretty big section because it's going to be the first section that's going to come across like this. And when I reach that, I'm going to start using the clip-ins that have 5 clips so that I can go the whole way like this. And every time I separate a new section, I'm trying to be very gentle to avoid frizz. Where I'm separating it, I am seeing a little bit of frizz being created, so as I go through in stages, I am just going to like redefine these little pieces because it's going to be really hard to do it later on. So just like a little bit of water, Got my trusty curl cream. This one is by Innocence. It's their quiet, calm curl control. Just gonna run that on there. Just, you know, calm down some of that frizz. So I'm ready for that 5-row one. So that's this one. So another like amazing thing that I've just noticed is that when I want to style the extensions, so these blonde pieces right here, they actually behave the exact same way as my natural hair. So if I wanted to spray this with water and then use a demo brush on it, it will create a curl that's very similar to how my hair goes when I do that. So I'll just show you. I can probably get these to blend together. So let's take like a small piece of the extension and a small piece of my natural hair together, and I'm going to spray those with water. You see how they're already kind of trying to like mimic each other? Let's go around with that. So you see now how my hair's kind of combined in that? Can you see there's like a dark brown or like a black streak running through? So that's my hair. Perfectly combined, if I may say so. It kind of goes from that classic like 3B, 3A-esque type wave to when you run a brush through it, suddenly now you have ringlets. It's like, it's literally behaving exactly like my natural hair. And when you want to attach it, simply add it onto your natural hair and clip it in place. I've got all of the extensions in. It's looking kind of crazy right now. I'm gonna take some time now to kind of style this, get them looking blended with the rest of my hair, because you see like I have like some big patches of black, some big patches of blonde, and I just really want to get those working together and, you know, being cohesive. So I'm gonna do that now. Next, I am just going to trim the extensions slightly because you can see some of them are just hanging a bit lower than my natural hair and it just looks a bit odd. My hairdressing scissors, and I'm just going to chop that, trying to not get my natural hair here. And obviously the good thing with curly hair is that we all know it's never really all one length, so not paying too much attention what I'm doing here. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a little bit of a hairstyle, so let's get into that. Okay, so first of all, I'm taking these two side sections. I'm going to split those away from the rest of my hair. I'm just going to put all of this hair up into a clip just to keep it out of the way for a second. And then I'm going to bring these two side pieces around to the back and I'm going to tie them together at the nape of my neck. Now that that part's tied, I'm then going to take a section to do like a little half up and half down. I'm going to tie it kind of like slightly lower than where I want it to actually sit, and that's so that I can cover up the tracks that are there. Then I'm going to take my ponytail section of hair and I'm going to flip that up and I'm going to apply a claw clip. So I do this hairstyle all the time with my natural hair. It gives so much volume in the ponytail. I absolutely love it, and it's perfect for this hairstyle because it's low enough that it's going to cover the tracks and we still get the volume as well. Okay, last thing, I just want to tidy up my fringe because it's looking kind of crazy. So I'm just going to spray that again with water. I'm brushing it out with the brush that comes in the Curlsqueen kit, and I'm just going to wrap all of this hair around my finger to create a nice cohesive little ringlet. Those final bits in my fringe, I am just going to trim them a little bit because that's kind of extremely long for a piece of fringe hair, so Okay.
Under your spell like a witch, grab me while I kiss on your neck. Your body definition of sexy. Please give me no less. Nobody taking your place.
There you have it. That is my first time trying curly hair extensions. These are the clip-in curly hair extensions by Curlsqueen, and I'm so happy it was them. This whole experience was so easy. I'm definitely going to practice a little bit more and really try and perfect this, because I just feel like they match my curl type exactly, and I just can't wait to see what else I can do with these. So if you want to check out Curlsqueen, I've left all of their information in the description box down below. I also have a discount code for you guys, so you can get a little bit of money off. I will leave that on screen right here, and that's also in the description box as well, so don't miss it. That is going to be everything from me. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please thumbs up. It means the world to me. Also subscribe, turn on your notifications if you don't want to miss my future uploads. Also get me on Instagram because I'm there all the time. Also on TikTok as well. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to chat with you. Thanks so much for watching this video right through to the end as well, by the way. It really helps with the algorithm, so I really appreciate that. I love you so much. I hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Girl,